Hello and welcome to Magna Projects. In this video I will show you how we converted an old Mercalli alternating current track into a digital current system. On old Mercalli rails, trains run on alternating current, which is supplied by the redly highlighted outer rail and the greenly highlighted third middle rail. However, our trains run on digital current via the rail and the overhead line. Now I'm going to show you how we made the catenary. We used the old Mercalli rails, which has a hole in the middle where we attached the poles. If it wasn't stable enough, we used nails through these holes, and we used a thin copper wire with 0.2 millimeter in diameter, and we had three types of poles which we 3D printed, and you can see the 3D models in the description below. This one we use the most. Its function is to keep the catenaries in position above the rail. This one has a similar function, but it also keeps the tension on the overhead line using this roll, which transfers the force to this weight. Third one is used at the end of the railway, and you can wrap through these holes the copper wire so that the wire can't move anymore. This is a 3D model showing what the final result should look like. The pantograph is made from a thick steel wire which is soldered to the motor.